Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You open Revolut and locate the physical or virtual card you want to use. This is the first actionable step. Tap Add to Apple Wallet and follow the prompts. You will be asked to verify card details and accept the bank's terms. This confirms legal linking. If prompted, approve with Face ID, Touch ID, or an SMS code from Revolut. Once done, make sure the card shows as active in Apple Wallet. This is necessary for contactless payment to work at terminals. You now configure how you will actually pay. Go to iPhone settings and set Revolut as your default card and wallet if you prefer it for quick payments. Once set, enable Express Transit for public transport or make sure double-click side button opens the wallet fast. This speeds transactions without unlocking. Check that NFC is enabled and that iOS and the Wallet app are up to date. Software mismatches can block tokenization. Make sure to restart the phone if the card does not appear immediately. You make the payment by holding your iPhone near an NFC reader. If the terminal asks, authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. This completes the transaction instantly using a secure token. This is why Apple Wallet keeps your real card number private. If a payment is declined, make sure your Revolut balance and network are okay and confirm the card isn't frozen. If problems persist, remove and re-add the card in Wallet or contact Revolut support.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.